Okie dokie. Just got myself a new permissions. I haven't got time to do it properly. Just have a quick flash right down there to the river and just see if we can snag a bit, eh? Bingo! Georgian shoe buckle. Oh, it's hard work getting these without a pinpointer. Could have great promise, this place. So, under the railway. A very nice paddock here running along the river. Can't do it now, look at the length of that grass. It's about 2 foot high. So, he'll give me a bell when it's been cut and I can come and do it. Oh, nice one. Okay, spoon handle. Nice. Got a patina on that, beautiful. I'll leave that till I get home, clean that other side. There's the odd bit here. When this grass gets low, I'll be back here. Oh, look at that view. My mate's got a seat down the bottom there by those trees. He just sits there out of sight of everybody in the quiet. Knows what he's doing. Nice here. Still warm though. Now guess what, look. It's iron. And it's a buckle. And it's quite a nice buckle. For I don't do iron, do I? So you didn't see me put this one in my pocket, alright. Right, got a little paddock here. The grass is pretty short because he's got the cows in. And guess what? I got a coin ball without a pinpointer. Hey, come on. Let's have a coin. Come on. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. 1935 silver sixpence. Yes. Whoa, coin ball. Oops. Ooh. Ah, a penny. Now what's that? Young Ed Vicky, I think. Not sure. Oh yeah, there you are, look, Young Ed Vicky. She's coming through there, look. If I actually entered the live dig competition, this would have been the one. It's still in the bottom of that hole. I don't have a pinpointer. I've had a silver on 82 and this is 85. Fabulous buckle. Look at that. Oh, I nicked that, I think. Because I haven't got the pinpointer. Beautiful, that's 3 buckles off here. And I'm only doing a trial run. Okay. Now, I understand this is a pair of Georgian nutcrackers. Or early Vicky. Put them in there, 2 handles, crack, crack. Yes. Good one. I shall be back here. 10-inch deep. Tiny positive signal on the horseshoe. No numbers. Stuck it into squealer mode and the non-motion says, it's not iron. And it wasn't. It was a spindle whirl. Hey, this is turning into a very good day. Another spindle whirl. I'm losing daylight. And it's going to rain, so it may be a while before I get back here, but had a good day. Right, sun's setting now. There's the old Ingleborough of the mountain. So I'm heading home. All the sheep and the curlews and the crows. Not exactly quiet here. We'll see you at the roundup. Oh, it's cool now. It should have been like this all day. Hello! Welcome to the second roundup for the day. Very different selection of finds here to this morning. This morning, all cuprinical from a park. Grotty junk. Today, very brief look round a friend's farm. This is the first time I've been on this farm. It's all on grass, so there's only small areas that I could even have a look at. But look at this lot. It's looking very promising. Junkite. Screw. I'm not sure what you are. You're a rivet of some description. Very nice handle there. I'm not sure if it is pewter. It feels like pewter. It's really, really smooth. Pewter at my end of the wood. This isn't where I normally hunt, but pewter at my end of the woods is all grotty. That's nice. Okay, look. Iron buckle. I know I don't do iron, but yeah, well, that's not a bad buckle, is it? Yes. Talking of buckles, look at this. Very, very bent when I got it out. I've tried to straighten it up, but it will break over here if I'm not careful. Look at the patterns on it. Look at the designs. That was one nice shoe buckle back in, say, Georgian times. Absolute belter. And I can't say I've had one of these. Another buckle I got there, look. The edges have nibbled away, look. Fairly old is that. Nothing written on it. Had a pattern around the edge, gone now, but again, I like my buckles. You get these Georgian buckles, you're back into Georgian and Williams silver and before and hammered for you know what. Lead. Piece of lead. Big piece of lead. Oh God, that was deep. I'd forgotten my pinpointer today, and oh my goodness. It's a good job the Deus has got a pinpointer with it, but even then it was hard work. Little bits, little scraps of lead, they were coming up deep. And look, spindle whorl, spindle whorl I should say, with a O instead of an I. Very old that. I mean, whoa, that's got that. And then another one in better condition, not that far away from it. And like I said, this is just a preliminary hunt. Oh, I forgot a bit in there. I think these are nutcrackers, but maybe Georgian, maybe Victorian, but they don't really look big enough. I'm wondering if they were used to crimp something rather than nuts. But hinge still works. But they must have been used for something too excessive because the handle just broke off, look. But I think I've had a pair of them before. Now, what have we got here? 1862 penny bronze. Look at that. The edges have all nibbled away. That sure is in good nick, look. Young Ed Victorian, 1862. But, don't seem to like the bronze there. Keeps a good patina, but eats it. Got a feeling that's been in the ground at least. Ooh, 120, 30 years maybe. Now, yay, I like my bit of silver. It's only George 5, 1935, 500 silver actually, but it's nice to get a bit of silver no matter what it is. But with the other finds that's coming off there, when that grass gets mown, I've got great hopes for around there. And then I can expand into all the surrounding farms. Hey, and there's a beautiful little meadow down the bottom. The grass is about 2 or 3 feet high at the moment, but when that's mown, whew, I will be on it. I will definitely be on it. Can't have all my friends getting hammered silver and me not. So there you go. It was a really good second hunt, that. It's nice to get back onto a bit of old ground again. So, all the best. Good luck. Happy hunting. And here's looking forward to seeing you on the next hunt. Thanks for watching. Bye.